Hi, I'm James Gardner and this is my app, AboutOz. I wrote it to showcase how easy it is to embed abs.stat data visuals inside a web page with some software I wrote called SDMX Faces. This allows me to create visualizations, save them for later viewing, and embed them into a web page. I was free to concentrate on developing the user interface for AboutOz rather than wrangling with the technical challenges with visualizing ABS data. AboutOz makes extensive use of the abs.stat SDMX data service, using lots of census cubes, merchandise imports and exports, socio-economic indexes for areas cubes, and the alcohol consumption for Australia. I hope that AboutOz will make census data more accessible to anyone interested in comparing their own suburb to surrounding suburbs, or just to get to know their city a little better. I'm a student at Edith Cowan University in Perth, Western Australia, studying my second degree in interactive media and graphic design, my first being in computer science and software engineering. SDMX Faces is already GPL software and is featured on the ABS's list of software to interface with abs.stat, although there is very little documentation I have written for it yet. Developing it is really just a personal hobby of mine. To use AboutOz, select a state or Australia from the list at the top of the screen and then a visualization on the left-hand side. Each state has the same list of cubes used, however each visualization shows the state's capital city. For imports and exports, some states show petroleum imports, other fertilizer imports in the case there are no petroleum imports for the last 6 months. For exports, most states initially show wool exports, however the cubes can be filtered, for example for imports and exports, to the user's desired commodity and industry of origin. The Australia tab has stats pertaining to the whole of Australia rather than the statewide statistics. Even though I can display the density of people over the whole of Australia, the high densities in some other cities cause Perth to look almost uninhabited. The design uses a clean, responsive interface that works well on tablets and desktops. I deliberately kept things as simple as possible. That's all for now. Come and have a play with AboutOz at http://www.notionworks.com.au/AboutOz.